Okay, so happy Halloween. That shelf behind me with the movies, that has been falling, scaring the crap out of me. So I'm doing a video. I'm gonna go outside and ride my scooter. So, boom shakalaka. I'm gonna go out and see if this is haunted. I'm gonna come back in and then see if anything moved or anything, and then I'm gonna close it. I'm going to stop the video and watch it. Please don't die, phone. I trust you. Boom. Oh. Okay, so I hurt myself on the scooter. It really hurts. So, did you put that on there? Did you put all this on there? That's nasty. Somebody just put that on there. Freaking just nasty. Oh my, who would do that? See, look, I can prove it. I hurt myself on the scooter. See that? That hurt. Why would somebody do that? I mean, I didn't do nothing to them, so they shouldn't be doing nothing to me. So I'm gonna stop it, watch it, put it on YouTube. I'm gonna stop it, watch it, put it on YouTube.